We got another package in the mail today, and I believe this is my Bear 76er. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Well, they definitely packaged it very nice. Don't have to worry about this one at all. Except for the peanuts blow all over the place. Lost a couple here. Get this out of the way. I'm going to take a knife to get this out. If I can get underneath there. A little bit of cleaning. Not sure exactly what that says. Pretty faded. Can't really see it. Another ring. Can't really tell. Looks like it might say 50 pound. I have to get a magnifying glass to be able to read that. Pretty faded. I think I got it packaged up good. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to have to do some work too. Get it all cleaned up and repaint it. I don't know if I'll leave that on or take it off. Somebody might like that. I don't know if I can work around it or not. We'll see. If not, I'll get it off there. But again, just the ease and the versatility of being able to put these together is just so nice, so simple, so quick, and they shoot really, really well. I really like them. But it's kind of a hobby. I enjoy getting them and redoing them, sell them, keep some of them. It's hard once you get something, you don't want to let go of it. But if the price is right, sell it, get some more, and redo those. Alright, there it is, the Bear 76er. And like I said, I do believe this is a 50 pounder. The stickers are so faded, it's kind of hard to tell. Gonna have to get it in just the right light. Not sure. Yep. 50 pound. Alrighty. Well, another restoration. Just take care and God bless.